Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I built this guy. He's seriously a robot or I'm skipping the entire series. So guys, pretty much I build them and their happy names and there 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 I am. And guys, let's go see it now. So guys, so these them guys. So this is Speaker Mountain and this is Camera Mountain. So they're both from a YouTube channel called so guys, mature. These are giant bills, guys. And compare from a little minifig, and I'm just gonna find them. Just 2 minutes. And here are the Lego minifig. And let's go over here and size comparison from a minifigure. But super, bruh, look, bruh, big, bruh. It's big, bruh. Look guys, it's big from a minifigure. Bro, this is a normal Lego minifigure compared to this. So bro, this is one of the biggest so guys, for myself. So some screen for some screen. There's a Lego set of a minifigure. Have a head. It's giant and it's oversized of my build. So I can. So guys, goodbye guys, and the video is over.